backup camera, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, moonroof, MP3 player, keyless entry, 32 mpg highway, alloy wheels. The all-new Honda HR-V is a crossover with style and versatility. Sitting on 17-inch alloy wheel seating for 5 is available, or up to 58.8 QFT of cargo space is available. Powered by a 141 horsepower 1.8L engine with a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT, which comes with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. 3 configurations allow you to store cargo, including folding down the magic seat, folding down the passenger side seat, or folding up the rear seat for vertical space. Available Honda Link Next Generation allows you to touch, pinch and swipe through music, podcasts and more. All you need is a compatible smartphone. The available 7-inch touchscreen makes it easy to access music, podcasts and more. Bluetooth hands-free link allows you to connect calls without taking your hands off the wheel, while the SMS text message function allows you to receive text messages and have them read aloud. Available Honda Satellite Link navigation system with voice recognition will keep you from getting lost. With Honda Lane Watch you can signal light to display live video from a camera on your passenger side mirror. The multi-angle rear view camera allows you to get a better view of what's behind you with 3 different angles: normal, top down and wide.